Every wheel has a story. Some move goods, some move people, some move time itself. But behind them all is the same idea: progress in motion. For 40 years, ICEA Lion Asset Management has kept those wheels turning savings into opportunity, turning trust into tomorrow. Because progress doesn't happen by chance. It's built one turn at a time. In 1985, ICEA Lion Asset Management began with a promise to manage wealth with wisdom and integrity.
There's been a lot of growth, both for myself, and let me start professionally, because when I joined ICEA Lion, at that time it was called ICEA Investment Services, and that was in January 2002. And so it's very fulfilling to see the growth that has taken place over the years as the business continued to grow and we established the structures, and to where it is now over that period of time, I think has been a very fulfilling situation to be in.
First of all, 40 years is a very long time. And it's a testament to the fact that the investment strategy that we are custodians over has a long-term outlook. People are not saving necessarily only for tomorrow. They are saving for the expectations for 10 years' time, 15 years' time, 20 years' time. And I think at the heart of that, it's really to ensure that we are creating investment solutions that grow and evolve with people's lives.
From our first pension plans in the 1990s, to balanced and equity plans in the 2000s, to digital investment solutions today, our compass has always pointed towards trust.
We have been very intentional over the period to grow and groom a blend of alternative channels. So we have your usual brick and mortar traditional distribution channels, and then we have the digital aggregators. And then now when you're looking at your digital aggregators who will mainly focus on servicing their clients through our digital platforms, they're able to reach micro savers who on any other day will not be very quick to take up our investment products. And they're also able to easily and seamlessly serve our clients in the diaspora.
Ultimately, what clients are asking us to do is, you are a custodian of our future dreams. But that is not a hope. That must be met with the sincerity of trust, which is as simple as making sure that there's an online platform for our advisors and our clients to check at any point in time in the day what is the balance within their account.
We are regulated by two entities, the Capital Markets Authority and the Retirement Benefits Authority. And the requirements, this requires us to ensure that we are complying with these regulations, which continuously are evolving with a view to ensuring that there is protection of stakeholders and that the industry is growing.
Our plans move beyond offices and ledgers. They live in motion, in factories that employ thousands, in fleets that deliver across borders, in entrepreneurs building tomorrow's industries. Opportunity should move freely, like a wheel that never stops turning.
In this day and age of rapidly changing technology, for one to remain relevant, you have to ensure that you invest in the infrastructure that will ensure that we continue to actively respond to clients' needs and expectations.
From a few hundred shillings saved each month to billions managed for institutions, ICEA Lion Asset Management's digital plans make investment accessible to all.
My predecessor, the late Paul Sixworth, who was the first CEO of ICEA Lion Asset Management, was a major figure in the fund management industry, and was actually one of the founders of the Fund Managers Association. When I took over, important responsibility that I felt was to continue to actively engage and participate in the industry, in the Fund Management Association. So I've served as the vice chairman of the association. I've also served as the chairman of the Fund Managers Association. And that has ensured that we continue to be very active in what is happening within the industry.
From offices to homes, our property plans are built on patience and solid ground. Some wheels don't drive machines, they drive freedom. The calm assurance that comes when your future is already in motion. That is the reward of trust, the peace of mind to live fully.
Challenges that you've seen, especially in the sector, is that people who owned what would call classic premium assets and outsized expectations in terms of what they could fetch from the market. Property has been an asset class that plays in at between 9 and 12%. In some instances, it might drop to 8%, but it's between that safely 9 to 12%, and that's what investors would look at.
For 40 years, ICEA Lion Asset Management has turned the wheels of progress quietly, consistently, faithfully.
For us, for the last 40 years, we've been taking care of our clients' investments. We've delivered the investment returns to them. We've talked to them. We've updated them on what happens in the investment environment. We've participated in events. We've taken them to conferences around the world. And so that, I think, has helped us in terms of building the relationship and trust that they have.
We have managed more than assets. We have managed aspirations. As time turns, so do we. Guided by one truth: time builds trust.
We're getting into a period where we want to grow the fund. We want the fund to be larger. We actually want to position ourselves as a platform that investors will be looking for, exposed especially across all the commercial sectors in the real estate space, with good quality assets, not only diversified across property asset classes, but diversified across geographies within the country. And as we diversify, as we build this portfolio to probably 10 billion, 20, 30 billion, our ambitions are large. And in doing so, it's just continuously creating value for our investors, for our unit holders.
ICEA Lion Asset Management at 40.
ILAM at 40, 40 years of prosperity with you.
40 years of prosperity with you in mind.
40 years of prosperity with you in mind.
40 years of prosperity with you in mind.
40 years of prosperity with you in mind.